Hello everyone, I'm Dana and this is my Sprout Up Journey. This is me. Walang matinong plano sa buhay but somehow landed a slot in BS Agricultural and Applied Economics at UPLB. It wasn't my first choice nor was it in any of my preferences, but I went with the flow and accepted whatever fate awaited me in UPLB. During my second semester as a freshman, I had to take agri courses because they were part of my curriculum for my degree program. And that's where the fun started. Yay! My first impressions of Agri 31 were that it was a subject where I had to memorize a lot of scientific names of crops and know how to identify them in heartbeat. Yung tipong kahit sa panaginip nagsasaulo ka pa rin ng halaman. I was intimidated and anxious. Fortunately, I was in good hands and my professor made learning fun and not taxing. So, I'm going to share some of the fun things we did in our laboratory class that made me learn to love agriculture even more. Let me take you to our very first meeting. We had a tour around campus and I was mind blown by the insane variety of plants inside UPLB. It was a lot of, oh wow, may ganito pala dito, or ganito karaming klase ang rambutan, and food trip if may fruits na available. But also looking at the labels, that dreaded feeling na, oh no, scientific names, information overload. Yet, understanding the importance of scientific names gives you a little bit of push that you have to learn it so others can know exactly what you are talking about. Like, are we on the same page kasi baka iba ang tawag nila sa halaman nila na yun sa lugar nila. Huy, application yun. More learnings later, another fun activity we did was measuring slope for SWCM, which required us na umakyat sa bundok and pray na hindi ka madulas habang naglalakad-lakad. Yes, that's me, cloud chasing right there. Charot. We also had a tour around field rice and other activities now for you to find out. Kaya tara, mag-agri ka na. Along the way, I saw many opportunities in the agriculture field. Jobs in research, in academia, and even in the actual fields. Through the people who guided us in our field trips, I witnessed the importance of agriculture in our lives and how we're still alive because these people in agriculture are doing their best to keep up with the demand, especially with our growing population and the effects of climate change. I believe that there's a future in agriculture. It's not just simpleng tanim-tanim, it's vital and deserves recognition just like how we glorify engineers, doctors, and lawyers. So let's be part of that future. Together, let's sprout up. This is Dana Rogelio aka Dana para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.